And we do have some breaking news in the last few hours. President-elect Donald Trump submitting a new legal filing asking the Georgia Court of Appeals to dismiss the Fulton County election interference case against him.
Investigative reporter and co-host of the Georgia Vote, Zach Merchant, here joining us now. So, Zach, we know you've been following this case, the indictment from the very moment that this was all unsealed. What are you learning?
Well, it's been a long journey to get to this point. On its surface, this is sort of what looks like a ticky-tack legal motion about jurisdiction, but at its heart, it is really a question that has never been directly answered in America. And that question is, can a sitting president be criminally prosecuted? Now, at the federal level, longstanding Department of Justice internal policy says the answer to that question is no. Special counsel Jack Smith, as you may remember, he cited that reasoning recently when he moved to dismiss the two federal cases against now President-elect Donald Trump. And now, Mr. Trump's Georgia attorney, Steve Sadow, is arguing the same theory should apply here, but it is a tricky question. Emory Law School professor John Acevedo, when we talked to him on Monday, he said that there is no direct precedent for this. The question has never been directly answered by a court. The case is already before the Georgia Court of Appeals on a different matter after Trump and other co-defendants appealed to try to disqualify Fulton DA Fani Willis over an alleged conflict of interest, a move that her office has opposed. And we should mention, just in about the last 20 minutes, a spokesperson for the DA's office declined to comment on this latest move.
Wow. And sometimes silence speaks a lot.
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah,
and we expect maybe a decision sometime
by mid-March at the latest of next year. But that's a wide window. It could come at any moment. Mid-March 2025, that's the deadline.
We're going to have to talk about more of this on the Georgia Vote on Sunday.
We will.
All right, we'll see you both then. Thank you so much, Zach.